Christmas package from the LaSalle Medical Health and Science Institute.
So, what's inside the Christmas package? First thing we have is a ham from Swift. So, inside you will see the ham and it comes with a sauce. So, next thing we have is queso de bola from Magnolia. Next, we have mango juice from Del Monte. Then we have some spaghetti package from Del Monte as well. Next we have some Nestle cream. And some luncheon meat from Lotte. And a condensed milk, small condensed milk from Alaska. And Pure Foods corned beef. And lastly, we have fruit cocktail from Dolly. And that's all for the Christmas package.